Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by containing the problem. Revoke keys and isolate the model instance so no further queries can exploit the lock. Once isolated, enable verbose logging and collect recent requests and responses to reproduce the failure path. Make sure to snapshot the environment and configuration so you can compare before and after states. This preserves evidence and prevents accidental overwrites while you run targeted tests. Now dig into the middle work. Reproduce the lock in a controlled sandbox to observe the failure signature. Compare checkpoints and recent config diffs to spot corrupted weights or harmful fine-tunes. Analyze preprocessing and tokenizer behavior for malformed inputs. Once found, patch the pipeline or apply input validation. Simultaneously run differential tests between a clean baseline and the affected model. Finish by applying the fix. Roll back to a safe checkpoint or retrain with corrected data, then run thorough unit and integration tests. Once passing, deploy to a canary environment with strict rate limits and enhanced telemetry so you can watch for regressions. Make sure to rotate credentials again and document the change. If the lock persists, one key troubleshooting tip. Reproduce the issue with progressively smaller inputs to isolate the minimal trigger and rapidly iterate on fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.